Welcome to my channel. Until now, Losari Beach in Fort Rotterdam is still being a favorite tourist destination for residents of Makassar city and its surroundings. Even though there are actually many other interesting and charming tourist attractions around Makassar. Wow, look at the ocean is near.
Kelihatan pulaunya guys.
For you, lovers of marine tourism, it is mandatory to visit Lele Island. Only about 1.5 kilometers from Losari Beach. This island is included in the Ujung Pandang district, Makassar City, South Sulawesi. The location is very close to Makassar City. Make this island a really visible equivocal from Losari Beach.
Lina Pajoka.
For tourists who want to visit Lele Island, they can ride fishing motorboat from the Bangkoa Pier or the pier in front of the Fort Rotterdam. Before I continue, who haven't subscribed, please click the red button and click the bell button, and you will get a notification about my videos. Lele Island is a tiny island with a population of about 1,700 inhabitants. That is have a coast pure white that is soft enough. On the edge, coastal also there are trees growing in rows, adding to the exotism of Lele Island. Its location is covered in sand. The impression of being in the Makassar Strait makes the weathers around the island quite calm with very friendly waves, combined with clear blue sea weather. This condition makes Lele Island one of the best places to escape from the saturation of daily activities. On Lele Island, there are also relaxing story in the form of a tunnel truck to Benteng Rotterdam in Makassar City. It is said that, unfortunately, the tunnel is not again maintained and left neglected. Even the tunnel hole is now gone. The dead end is covered by land piles. Even though, if treated, this tunnel can become a favorite tourist attraction for visitors to Lele Island. The most famous coastline of Lele Island is Bob's Beach, managed by Uncle Bob, who is none other than the original inhabitant of the island. Uncle Bob will usually pamper beach goers with a twist reggae music, which sounded more serene, combined with the blowing the wind and the roar of the waves relentless. There, the tourists too can relax in a tree house while listening to reggae music and enjoy the natural charm of the coast. Calm waves and clear sea will always tempt tourists to swimming around Lailai Island. They can also enjoy snorkeling coral reef around the island, although the conditions are not coral reefs on the island of Samalona. Waverly, the coral reef around the island Lailai has suffered damage, as well as due to high sedimentation and eutrophication. If you want to enjoy the beach without getting wet, you can too rent a gazebo at a price of 50,000 rupiah to relax. Relax on gazebo while eating a meal which has been prepared can be an alternative way to enjoy the beauty of the island. In addition, relaxing in the gazebo while enjoying the beauty of the sunset can also be an option. You could say that the sunset on Lailai Island looks very charming and romantic. So, it is not surprising that many tourists choose to visit in the afternoon. The tourist will not be charged entrance ticket to visit the island Lailai, so they only need to pay for the boat rental crossing. Although it's free, however, this island has offered many facilities complete enough to visitors, of which there are many available toilet cubicles and flushing rooms are sufficient clean. A number of bins have also been provided. Unfortunately, on Lailai Island not yet there are inns like on the island Samalona. Therefore, for the travelers who want to spend the night must back to Makassar city, which is said there have been many lodging places with varying price, depending on the facilities and services things are offered. Such as Makassar Beach Inn, Hotel Tiara Asri, Novotel Makassar Green Saila, up to Quality Plaza Hotel Makassar. Don't take anything where you don't did anything but trail and nature tourism except photos. Don't kill anything but time. The romance of the sunset that greets visitors from Lailai Island will really give a warm impression of the beauty of the small islands that are widespread in Indonesia. Lailai Island, or commonly known as Gusung Talang, is an island which is 1.5 kilometers from the mainland. Access to Lailai Iceland is not too difficult. From the city center of Makassar, you leave for the Kayu Bangko Pier, which is located on Pasarikan Street, not far from the hostel and bus stop of Losari Beach. Losari Beach, Makassar. The entrance to the Bangkoa Wood Pier is in between a curved gate with the words Bangkoa Wood Crossing Pier Cafe. Then you can go in and quit the boat of Lailai Island. The early days of this island were still barren and uninhabited, but over time, as the name Lailai Island grew, the clothing facilities were also updated. Now, in the area of Lailai Makassar Island, there are already many gazebos available to relax for every dolaners who come. Various activities can be done on this Gusung Talang Island, starting from just swimming, snorkeling, or even diving. The underwater landscape is very beautiful because it is still beautiful, and there are many marine plants and various types of ornamental fish. Indonesia, whose territorial waters are wider than its land, does have many marine tourism destinations, especially in the eastern part of Indonesia. The beauty of its beach is increasingly worldwide. More and more foreign tourists are coming to hunt for the exotism, starting from Losari Beach, Galesong Beach, Purinda Beach, Tanjung Bira to Acarena Beach. Okay guys, these are my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Lina Pajoka.